Greetings, savvy homeowners! It's your friendly neighborhood tech enthusiast here, ready to sprinkle a little magic into your living space. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's kick things off with our first game changer. Introducing the Klima Smart Thermostat. This marvel of technology not only learns your preferences, but also saves you some hard-earned cash on energy bills. And all for the low price of $145. Now, on to the next marvel of modern living. Say hello to your new cleaning companion, the Roomba robot vacuum cleaner. It's like having your very own mini-maid. With rave reviews and a price tag of $1,100, it's a steal for a perpetually tidy home. But wait, there's more! Ding dong, who's there? Oh, just your trusty Blink Smart doorbell keeping watch over your doorstep. With its built-in camera and motion sensors, you'll never miss a beat for just $42. Now, onto something truly revolutionary. Unlock a world of convenience with the August Smart Lock. No more fumbling for keys, just tap your way in. Customers love its reliability, and at $172, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. But wait, there's more! Brighten up your life with Philips Smart Light bulbs. With endless color options and energy-saving features, they're a must-have for any modern home. And at just $200 each, you'll want to light up every room. Moving right along to our next innovation. Plug into convenience with Amazon Smart Plugs. Turn any appliance into a smart device with these little wonders. Customers adore their simplicity, and at $25 each, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. But wait, there's more! Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the smartest of them all? Introducing the AI Smart Mirror, your personal assistant in reflective form. It's a splurge at $400, but customers swear by its sleek design and functionality. Now onto something truly magical. Keep your cool with the Samsung Family Smart Fridge, the ultimate kitchen companion. With built-in cameras and inventory tracking, you'll never forget the milk again. Customers love its futuristic features, but at $5,600, it's definitely a luxury item for the tech-savvy homeowner. But wait, there's more! Pump up the jams with an Echo Dot smart speaker. From blasting your favorite tunes to answering your burning questions, this little powerhouse does it all. Customers rave about its sound quality and versatility, and at $35, it's a no-brainer addition to any smart home setup. And last, but certainly not least, keep an eye on things with the Always Home Smart Security Camera. Whether you're home or away, this little guardian angel has your back. Customers love its crystal clear footage and easy setup. And at $250, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Well folks, there you have it. 10 must-have smart gadgets to transform your home into a futuristic paradise. Which one are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic smart home content. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and stay awesome. Bye for now.